Hey lovelies, my name is Noria. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am doing a Monin unboxing. So basically updating syrups from my coffee bar. I am my own barista. Drinks now are way too expensive, and yeah, just like being able to experiment and also having a somewhat more control over what goes into my drinks. Now, one reason I do like Monin is they do have like a low calorie line, they have a 0 cal, they have a natural syrups, so you kind of have that freedom. I can't remember what I bought, so that may not mean anything in this case, but they are one of my favorite coffee syrups brands. Granted, you can use their syrups for anything, but they are one of my favorite coffee syrups brands. And we got some more stuff, so I'm going to show you guys what I got, and if I remember, give you guys a little screen of what my coffee counter looks like. So right off the gate, I saw that they had a dulce de leche flavored syrup, so you know, we had to get that. We got that, we had to get it, and I cannot wait to try this. So it's kind of fitting that I'm going to pull out this one syrup first, because if you don't want to be grossed out, just skip this part of the video. But I recently found out that one of my syrups, the ones I use all the time, which is the organic vanilla. I love this stuff. The one I had mold growing in it, and I only had like that much left in the bottle. I'm gonna include it. So this is what, and this is what happened. This is what you see. And I didn't find that until later that evening when I was recording this. Up until that point, I had already used like 3 or 4 pumps out of that just that day. And I have no idea how long that was growing in there. Needs to say, I was very much, yeah. I don't blame, at first I was panicking because I was like, oh crap, are all my syrups molding now? No, it was just that when I went through my whole syrups, I have like 6 other syrups on the counter, all the other ones were fine, and I know that that was a me / probably a pump error. So up until this point, I have, because I bought a few more, I have these syrup pumps that you can order from them and just put them in the tube. Up until this point, only the vanilla one was getting stuck for me, so I would probably once every month I would go through, get a little pen, try to get the syrup out and run it underneath water. And I'm thinking I did that one too many times, because I'm like, other than that, this is a sealed system, there's no way anything would have gotten in. So I think it was just water got down the pump, and there we go. So luckily I was smart and bought another vanilla one, because I ordered this before I looked at the bar and saw that it was mold. So downside of that, I didn't buy any extra pumps, so I'm just have to put like my little bartender pour one on this. But we do have a vanilla to fix it, so yay. And I did not get sick, so as much as I used that syrup, I did not get sick, so that's a win. I bought the lavender. I've been seeing a lot of recipes with lavender, and I just decided, you know what, I'm gonna give it a shot. I've tried using actual lavender leaves before, and it came out either way too strong or way too weak. So I was like, you know what, just skip it. And also I didn't want to keep creating the syrup and it only lasting in a week. So I was like, let's just buy the lavender one. So this one can go in pretty much anything. I definitely want to try it in matcha, and definitely in a latte. Restocked the salted caramel. I think I bought this one the first time earlier this year, and it is my all-time favorite. All-time favorite, 110% would recommend. Salted caramel, especially if you're a caramel fan, if you like the salted caramel cold foam, that's all you need this for, is for that to create more. So yes. And then last but not least, this was a total just random buy, because I did not like the Starbucks apple crisp or whatever their drink is. It's just too much sugar and it's just disgusting. But I like apple pie and I like that taste, so I got the caramel apple butter syrup, and So far I've heard good things about it. I will be making a couple drinks with this, trying them out and creating some recipes, but I've heard good things. So I'm excited to try this one and see how it tastes, especially in a latte, hot or cold. So yeah, I'm excited. So yeah, those are all my serves on average. I don't use, because I think right now I have 5 other ones downstairs. And of course there are certain flavors I like more than others, so I go through those fairly quickly. But for the most part, most of my serves last minimum 6 months. I would say 5 to 6 months. And aside from that one issue I had with the molding vanilla, which again, I think that was a me/pump problem, not a syrup problem, because not all my other syrups are fine. This allows me to make drinks that I want. I can control the sweetness. I can make my own cold foam, whatever flavor I want. So if you are a big coffee drinker and you want a bar setup, I would definitely do recommend Monin. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just like their syrups. I love their options. And I do like that they do have like some natural ones and organic ones. Now, only organic one I have is the vanilla. All these other ones probably have some chemicals in them, but I do not care. I'm here for the flavor. So yeah, that is my Monin haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you want another video on like my coffee setup in general, just let me know. I'll be glad to do another video on that. But until next time, guys, bye.